Climate change has the potential of throwing the whole humanity into chaos. Let's examine some major threats which have been predicted if the corrections are not done. The melting of ice caps will raise the ocean levels. The oceans will rise up to 6 meters if the meltdown is complete. Think what will happen to cities which are on the coast. The city of Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, with hundreds of smaller towns and villages, will get flooded with seawater. Millions of Indians will have nowhere to go, and billions of rupees worth property will be lost to the sea. Countries like Bangladesh and Maldives may lose their entire country to the rising seas and will create the largest displaced population worldwide. World's biggest cities like New York and London may have rivers flowing in the middle of their cities. Melting glaciers which feed rivers like Ganga and Indus may turn these perennial rivers into rain-fed rivers. The water shortages will be acute in the months of summer as the rivers will run dry. The freshwater lakes dependent on the snowfall will have less water, leading to hardships. Climate change will be accompanied with changed weather patterns, which would mean that the traditional rainfall seasons like our monsoons in June-July will get disturbed. There may be very heavy to no rainfall in the given period. Floods will become common and will alternate with droughts. For example, in the year 2008, North India had a very long monsoon season starting from early June till late September. Floods may also occur due to cyclones and cloudbursts. In July 2005, Mumbai was hit by one of the heaviest rains and one of its worst floods. The city was flooded and there was no electricity, drinking water and food for days. The death toll was nearly 400. Katrina hurricane struck US in August 2005 with unbelievable fury. The superpower was stunned for a week and billions of dollars were lost and more than 1,000 lives lost. This is the effect of climate change. Scientists warn that Katrina and Mumbai downpour are mild disasters to what we can expect with climate change in the future. As the world gets warmer, humanity's biggest killer and enemy, the mosquito, will spread to more parts of the world. Malaria and dengue will be more widespread and fatalities may rise further. Other waterborne diseases like cholera and typhoid will spread in areas where floodwaters are present. Pest population, rodents and locusts are predicted to increase, which will be very harmful for the farms. In general, scientists expect more disease and death with the warming of the world. Climate change will bring about a change in the cropping patterns in the world. Areas where wheat and rice are today grown successfully may become too hot for the crops to grow, which may lead to widespread hunger in the world. The areas which had previously been too cold for agriculture will become more fertile and may produce agricultural crops. This may be good in the short run, but in the long term, this may not be able to feed the increasing world population.